In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link one Asana project to another using a simple project URL. First, open the Asana project you want to link from. This is the project where your teammates will see and click the connection, so choose the space that gets the most traffic or is most relevant to the work at hand. Give it a moment to load so you're sure you're in the right place and have the correct permissions to edit descriptions or tasks. Next, copy the link of the other Asana project you want to connect. The quickest way is to open that second project in another tab and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. In many Asana setups, you can also find a share or copy link option inside the project menu. Either way, you're aiming for the project's unique URL so that anyone who can access it can jump straight there. If your workspace uses strict permissions, double check that your teammates will have access to view the destination project. Otherwise, they'll see an error instead of the content. Now return to your original project and decide where the link should live. You can place it inside a specific task's description if the connection supports that task's work, in a comment if you're providing quick context, or in the project's overview or brief if it's meant to be a top-level reference for everyone. Choose the spot that will be most visible to your intended audience and the most helpful for ongoing use. Paste the project link into the text field you selected. Asana often recognizes links automatically, so you should see it become clickable right away. If you're pasting inside a longer description or brief, position it near the top or under a clear subheading so it's easy to find later. Add a short label so people know what the linked project is for. For example, you might type something like related roadmap project or upstream design work, followed by the link. Clear, concise labeling prevents confusion and helps new collaborators immediately understand why the link is there and when to use it. Finally, save the update and test the link. Click the Save or Update button for the field you edited, then open the link to confirm it loads the correct project in a new tab. If it doesn't, replace it with the correct URL. If permissions block access, coordinate with a project owner to adjust visibility. With that, your projects are connected, giving your team a quick, reliable path between related work without duplicating effort